Ready to unlock the full potential of Kraken and become a confident crypto trader? Let's dive into this comprehensive Kraken tutorial, designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills needed to navigate this powerful exchange, regardless of your experience level. First, visit Kraken.com and click Create Account. Provide your email, a strong password, and your country of residence. Make sure your password is at least 12 characters long and includes a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've entered your details, Kraken will send a verification email. Click the link in the email to activate your account. Next, complete the identity verification process. This is essential for accessing all of Kraken's features. You'll need to provide your personal information, including your full name, date of birth, address, and occupation. Then, upload a clear photo of your governmentist ID and proof of address. Security is paramount. Enable two-factor authentication using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy. This adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a code from your phone in addition to your password. Explore other security features like account whitelisting, which restricts withdrawals to pre-approved addresses. Now, let's get into trading. Navigate to the trade section. You'll see the order book, price chart, and order entry fields. Select the cryptocurrency pair you want to trade, for example, Bitcoin against US dollars or BTC USD. Kraken offers several order types. A market order executes immediately at the best available price. A limit order lets you specify the price you want to buy or sell at. To place a limit order, enter the price you want to buy or sell at in the price field. Then, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to trade in the amount field. Click buy or sell to place your order. Your order will be executed when the market price reaches your specified limit price. Kraken offers margin trading, allowing you to trade with borrowed funds. This can amplify your profits but also significantly increases your risk. Start by enabling margin trading in your account settings. Be sure you understand the risks involved with margin trading before proceeding. Staking is a great way to earn passive income on your crypto holdings. Kraken allows you to stake certain cryptocurrencies directly on the platform. Navigate to the staking section to view the available cryptocurrencies and their estimated rewards. To deposit funds, go to the funding section and choose deposit. Select the cryptocurrency or fiat currency you want to deposit and follow the instructions to withdraw funds. Go to the funding section and choose withdraw. Enter the withdrawal address and the amount you want to withdraw. Utilize Kraken's charting tools and market analysis features to make informed trading decisions. Analyze price trends, identify support and resistance levels, and use technical indicators to predict future price movements.